Almost 6 years ago, I met a boy. This boy made me curious about the world. He made me want to challenge myself in ways I had never been challenged before.
Michael has made me so proud his whole life, but today I'm especially proud. I'm proud he's marrying a wonderful young lady, and he'll be spending the rest of his life with his best friend. May you both have love, health, and happiness, but most importantly, may you have the time to enjoy them all together in love.
After Mike proposed, I got a text from him that said, "It looks like you have a sister." And this means a lot to me. I'm an only child, and I never had that brotherly love, the sibling love that a lot of people get. This guy right here is my brother.
Michael, where do I start? You've always treated Jaycie like she's the most beautiful woman on earth, which she is. Jaycie loves you with every fiber in her being, and I can't wait to watch you two grow. Jaycie, you're my best friend, my soul sister. No matter how crazy and hectic our lives may get or how far apart we are, you will always be my person. Congratulations, you two. It's been a beautiful day, and you make a beautiful couple. To love, to laughter, and happy ever after.
May your love be modern enough to survive the times, but old-fashioned enough to last forever. Love you both.
We really have grown up together. From going through college together and buying our first and second home, to raising our girls together. And yes, everyone, we know that they're just dogs. We really, really love them. Michael, I vow to be faithful and respect this marriage for a lifetime. I love you, and I'm so excited to become your wife.
Our family is so lucky, Michael. Everybody absolutely loves you. You are absolutely perfect for Jaycie, and you treat her like a queen. I'm so unbelievably happy for you two, and I can't wait to see where this life takes you guys. Laugh a lot, love often, and don't let a day go by that you don't say I love you.
About the marriage that my grandma and my grandpa had and the way that they built a life together. I think that you share with them your ability to dream together and to hope for the future and to be grateful together.
best friend. I promise to laugh with you, cry with you, and grow with you. I will love you when we are together and apart. I promise to support your dreams and respect your differences. I accept you as you are. I will care for you, stand by you through all of our lives' adversities and all of its joys, from this day forward and all the days of my life.